It's the Knox Anew Clinical Revitalize and Reveal Resurfacing Lotion for Body. And yes, that's a bit of a mouthful, but the Resurfacing Lotion for Body, it's going to give you retexturizing and brightening alpha hydroxy with lactic acid and shea butter. So it's a luxurious formula, boosts the skin's natural exfoliation process and moisturizes the skin to visibly smooth, rough, bumpy, and crepey skin so that it feels and looks more radiant. I'm personally looking forward to this because as I get a little closer to 50, I am seeing some crepiness in my arms, and also I can always, as a chronic sufferer of ingrown hairs, can always use more exfoliation for my legs. So I'm definitely looking forward to using this myself. Some of the benefits of lactic acid, if you don't already know, is it does help to gently exfoliate and promote skin cell turnover, so it gives you fresher looking skin, visibly brightens the skin all over, promotes collagen production, so you get more plump and youthful looking skin, so that helps with that crepey texture and the kind of wrinkly looking effect that we get in our skin as it gets older. Helps minimize hyperpigmentation, sunspots, and discoloration. I have quite a bit of that that I'm also looking forward to seeing some improvement in. And it unclogs pores to help prevent body acne. So that's a cool benefit to that as well. A bonus benefit, because it has shea butter as a secondary ingredient, your skin's going to feel smooth and hydrated, because we all know how much we love that feel of shea butter on the skin. Other reasons that you're going to love the Resurfacing Lotion for Body: it's dermatologist tested, hypoallergenic, clinically tested, free from fragrance, parabens, phthalates, and mineral oil. As with most alpha hydroxy acid products containing alpha hydroxy acid ingredients, this lotion can cause some sun sensitivity, so you do want to be sure to use a good broad spectrum sunscreen when using this. I can recommend a few if you don't already know any. It has a nice convenient twist cap, and it's not as super thick. It's kind of a medium weight formula. It's not like light and runny, but it's also not super thick and heavy. Has kind of like a gel cream formula to it, so it's got kind of that cooling effect. And again, it doesn't have any added fragrance, so it does have just kind of the fragrance from the ingredients, which is a pleasant scent, but it seems to go away after I apply it, so it wouldn't interfere with any perfumes or other fragrances, body lotions, or things that you're using that have fragrance. Shouldn't really interfere with those. But it doesn't have any added fragrance, so you shouldn't have any allergy type, like hay fever type reactions to it. But just gives a nice soft feel to the skin, and over time it's going to improve the look of those sunspots and discolorations and the crepey texture in that. So that is the Knox Anew Clinical Revitalize and Reveal Resurfacing Lotion for Body. So just tell me you need that clinical body lotion, and I'll know what you mean. But it'll be easy enough to find online as well.